Okay, look at here. The matter exists in three states. Okay, right here we are talking about the gaseous laws. Okay, gaseous laws, gas laws, especially gas laws. Okay, now first of all, I am taking the Boyle's law. Okay, now four types are there. Okay, now gas laws are four types are there. Okay, first one is the Boyle's law. Boyle's law. Boyle's law. And second one is a Charles law. Charles law. Charles law. And third one is the Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law. And fourth one is the Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. Okay na, four laws are there. Okay na, here the gaseous laws are four types. First one is the Boyle's law, second one is the Charles law, third one is the Gay-Lussac law, and fourth one is the Avogadro's law. What are considered as a gas laws? Okay na, it gives what? Okay na, it gives the relationship between the measurable properties of the gases. Okay na, here which are considered as a measurable properties? Okay na, measurable properties are pressure, temperature, volume, and number of moles. Okay, this is the pressure, temperature, volume, and number of moles. It is also considered as a amount of gas. Okay, mass of the gas, amount of gas or mass of the gas. Okay, these are the measurable properties. These are the variables. Okay, variables. They can change. Okay, here in first case in Boyle's law. Okay, the law which gives relationship between the pressure and volume. Okay na, it will gives the relationship between the pressure and volume. Okay na, at that time, okay na, 2R varies. Okay na, 2R varies. At that time 2R constant. Okay na, here P changes with V. Okay na, the relation in Boyle's law, P changes with V. Okay na, the Boyle's law give relationship between the pressure and volume. At that time T and N constant. T and N constant in Boyle's law. Okay na, right. Next one in Charles law. Okay na, here T and V. Okay na, it gives the relationship between the T and V. Okay na, T and V. At that time pressure and N. Okay na, P and N both are constant. Okay na, and next one in Gay-Lussac law, it gives relationship between the P and T. Okay na, P and T. Okay na, next two variables are constant. Okay na, V and N are constant. And next one Avogadro's law, here the Vn, it gives the relationship between the V and N. V and N are, it gives the relationship between the V and N, which are constant. P or T are constant. Okay na, you have to remember this one. Boyle's law PV, Charles law TV, Gay-Lussac law PT, Avogadro's law Vn. Okay na, here PV, it gives the relationship between the PV, which are constant, remaining things are constant. We have to know this one also. Okay na, the measurable properties PTVN. Okay na, PTVN. Okay na, here in Boyle's law PV, in Charles law TV, Gay-Lussac law PT, and Avogadro's law Vn. Okay na, here look at here. First of all, I am taking the Boyle's law. You have to remember this one. Okay na, Boyle's law gives relationship between the PV, and Charles law gives a relationship between the TV, and Gay-Lussac law gives a relationship between the PT, and Avogadro's law gives the relationship between the Vn. Okay na, first of all I am taking the Boyle's law. Okay na, Boyle's law. The Boyle's law. Okay na, here the Boyle's law gives the relationship between which one? Pressure and volume. Okay na, here it gives relationship between pressure and volume. Okay na, pressure and volume. It gives relationship between the pressure and volume of fixed amount of gas at a constant temperature. Okay na, this is the most important one. Okay na, it gives the relationship between the which one and which one? Pressure and volume. Okay na, pressure and volume. Okay na, here we are taking the P and V. okay na, which are constant, fixed amount of the gas, fixed amount means n, okay na, n is the constant. Here constant temperature means T is the constant, okay na. The what is the relationship then? T is the constant and n is the constant. At that time, what is the relationship between the pressure and volume, okay na. Here that can be stated by Boyle's law, okay na. Here the statement, I am writing the statement is the most important one, okay na. Here at constant temperature, statement is the important one, at constant temperature, at constant temperature, at constant temperature, at constant temperature, the volume of fixed amount of, the volume of fixed amount of gas is inversely proportional to pressure is known as what? Is known as Boyle's law, okay na. Is known as Boyle's law. Star is nothing but Boyle's law, okay na. Look at here, I am giving simply, okay na, I am explaining simply. Look at here at a constant temperature, okay na, T is the constant one, okay na. T is the constant one. Here constant temperature, T is the constant one. And next to the fixed amount of gas means n is also constant, okay na. Both are constant, I am writing here constant, okay na. T and n are constant. At that time, okay na, the volume of the gas inversely proportional to pressure. Volume is inversely proportional to pressure, okay na. Here I am writing volume is inversely proportional to pressure, okay na. I am giving definition once again. At a constant temperature, okay na, at a constant temperature, the volume of fixed amount of gas inversely proportional to pressure, okay na. This is nothing but Boyle's law, okay na. Simply here T and n are constant. At constant temperature, fixed amount of gas, okay na, fixed amounts of gas is there, okay na. At constant temperature, volume is inversely proportional to pressure, okay na. That is nothing but Boyle's law. You have to remember this thing, okay na. It is the most important one, okay na. And next one, here we are taking the, this is the actual, okay, look at here, next continuation. Here we are removing the proportionality, okay na. I am removing the proportionality, I am putting one constant here, okay. I am removing proportionality here, I am putting the constant k is the constant. I am writing here V is equal to K 1 by P here, okay. I am moving, okay na, the pressure, okay na, P term moved to left hand side, okay. Here it moves to left hand side. Here PV is equal to constant. This is the most important equation, okay na. PV is equal to constant, okay. Note it down, okay na. I am going to next one, note it down, okay. Look at here, I am taking fixed amount of gas. If the fixed amount of gas at constant temperature, fixed amount of gas at constant temperature, which is the constant one? Fixed amount means n is the constant, constant temperature means T is the constant, okay na. Here the gas, if a gas taken in a vessel, okay na, at that time, okay na, it occupy the volume is considered as a V1 is considered as a initial value, okay na. Here it exert the pressure is considered as a P1, okay na. It exert the pressure is considered as a P1. It is a initial pressure, it is a initial value, okay na. When this gas expands, okay na, this gas expands, okay na, at that time, okay na, this gas expands. At that time the volume is changed to, okay na, this is the certain volume changes to V1 to V2, Okay na? Here the gas expands, what happened here, the volume changes, okay na? The changed volume, the final volume, okay na, the V1 is changed to V2, the volume is changed to V1 to V2 and pressure is changed to P1 to P2. The V2 is considered as a final volume and P2 is considered as a final pressure. That time, okay, here it is applicable to Boyle's law, okay na? According to Boyle's law, here P1 V1 is equal to constant. This is the equation number 1. Here P2 V2 is equal to constant, okay na, is equal to constant. This is the equation number 2, okay na. Right, here the equation number 1, K is equal to constant is equal to P1 V1. Here constant is equal to P2 V2. We are equalizing this one. Here P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, okay na. Here from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, here P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, okay na? Note it down. Okay, right, I am going to next one. Okay, now isotherms, this is the most important concept. Isotherms, okay na. Iso means same, therms means temperature, same temperature, constant temperature. Isotherms means constant temperature, okay na. Isotherms are the curves, okay na. Isotherms are the curves. The curves give the relationship between the pressure and volume, okay na, the pressure and volume, okay na. They are considered as isotherms, okay na. Simply I am writing the statement, okay na. The curves which gives relationship between volume and pressure, at constant temperature of fixed amount of gas are known as what? Are known as isotherms. Are known as isotherms. Okay na. Simply isotherms means the curves which gives the relationship between the volume and pressure. Okay na, volume and pressure at constant temperature also important. Okay na, note it down. Okay na, I am writing the graphical representation also. Here pressure, here volume, okay na. The curves arises like this manner. When the pressure increases, the volume decreases. You know, x-axis I am taking the volume, this side volume increases. When volume increases, pressure decreases like this manner, okay na. Pressure increasing order, this one, okay na. When pressure increases, volume decreases like that manner, okay na. Here at constant temperature, okay na, at constant temperature, at constant temperature, okay na, at constant temperature the graph arises, okay na. These curves are considered as one curve is there, one curve is the isotherm, okay na. More than one curve is there, that time isotherms, okay na. Here I am writing the another graphical representation, okay. Here I am taking the three curves, okay na. Different temperature, constant temperature but different, okay na. Here the volume and here pressure, okay na. Here this is the T1, T2, T3, okay na. The temperature it is something, okay na, something. Here T1 temperature, here T2 temperature, T3 temperature. The curves arises, okay na. The curves which gives the relationship between the volume and pressure at constant temperature is considered as a isotherms, okay na. Note it down.